So, mag-solve tayo ng examples, okay, on how to determine or ma-classify yung trusses as stable, unstable, internally and externally. And if it is stable, statically determinate ito or indeterminate, or it could be statically unstable. Okay, so we have series of samples here shown. So we have 3, 6, 9, 10. So number one, meron tayong trust dito. So titingnan natin niya ito, no, by observation, no, kung nasusunod yung rule natin na sana lahat ng members, no, will form triangle, the basic simple trust, no. And kapag meron tayong uh, quadrilateral na members o nagpo-form ng quad, medyo ano yan, unstable yan. So let's try to observe. Okay? So nakikita natin internally, if we remove the support here, okay, meron siya ding geometrical error, no? Kasi gagawa to na o mag-rotate ito. So dapat sana meron tayong horizontal ano dito, member, no? Para mag-form siya ng triangle. So kahit computein natin siya, M as 8, J is 6, R is 3. So, R means reaction, J means joints, M means member. So, by formula for internal stability, uh, hindi rin niya na-satisfy. No? 8 is less than 9. No? Kaya internally unstable siya by computation, and by observation due to its geometric arrangement, hindi rin siya unstable. But externally, stable kasi yung support hindi naman follow nung concurrent or parallel. So then we can get the if we get the ano no DI, or if we check determinacy, so DI is equals to R plus M minus 2J. By substitution, lumalabas na negative yung ating DI, which means it is statically unstable. Okay? Number 2. Okay? So, ang titignan mo by observation, stable naman yan. Dahil kapag tinanggal mo yung support unang-una, okay, it will remain its position. Unlike dito sa number 1. So, isa sa mga markers natin sa ganun ay dapat lahat nakaka-form ng triangle. The adjacent members are forming triangles. So, or simple cast. By computation, kunin natin yung M, J, and R. So, 7, 5, and 4. So, substitute. So, lahat nasatisfy naman yung M is equals to 2J minus 3. Therefore, this is internally stable by computation at the same time by its arrangement. No? And also, it is externally stable. No? Para silang team. Okay? So, hindi naman siya concurrent in the same sense. No? So, kunin natin yung determinacy or determinacy using DI is equals to R plus M minus 2J. So, lumabas na positive yung sagot. Ibig sabihin, indeterminate yan. So, that is statically indeterminate at first degree. Number 3. So, si number 3 naman, by observation, una, tatanggalin lang mo lang yung support. Yan. It will remain rigid ba? Wala bang magro-rotate? O wala bang gagalaw na member? Okay. Stable yan. Dahil lahat ay naka-form ng simple truss. And externally stable din siya. Kasi parehas tong pin. No? Wag lang to maging parehas na roller. Okay? So, by computation ng internal stability, na-satisfied niya din yung equation. So, kunin natin yung determinacy. Di is equals to r plus m minus 2j. So, substitute. So, we have a positive answer. So, 13 minus 12, 1. Statically indeterminate at first degree. Okay, madali lang, no? So, number 4. So, ito naman, ang pinagkaima niya rito, nadagdagan to ng web member dito. Okay, nadagdagan siya dito. So, ibig sabihin, at saka napalitan yung support. Roller to, tapos ito, team. Ibig sabihin, nadagdagan lang ng isa yung member. Dalawa, sorry. Yan. Okay. Tama ba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, dito, nadagdagan ng dalawa. So, dapat pala, 12 lang to. 1, 11. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. Nadagdagan since naging doble pala yung member na to. Yan. Nagkaroon tayo ng joint. So, 13 pala member. Joint is 8. R is 3. By computation, it satisfies the equation. 13 is equals to 13. Ibig sabihin, internally is stable siya. By observation, internally is stable din siya. Following the arrangement. Externally, stable din. Obvious. So, di is 3 plus 13 minus 2 times 8, 16. So, we have 16 minus 16. So, determinate siya. Dito, it could be considered as complex truss, no? Complex truss ito. Kumbaga, ito ang hirap gamitan ng methods of joint and section, no? Kasi parang sala-sala yung kanyang mga members. But you can determine if it is stable, no? So, by observation, well, stable yan, no? Okay, series of triangles, can you see? And meron din tayong external stability dito. Okay? So, simple support naman siya. So, by computation naman, yan, M is, by counting, 21 yan. And J is 12. R is 3. So, satisfied naman yung formula natin. M is equal to 2J minus 3 dapat. DI, pagdating sa DI, R plus M minus 2J, 3 plus 21 minus 2 times 12, 24. So, determinate. 0 yung sagot. So, DI is 0. Determinate. So, nakailan na tayo? 5. So, eto. So, series of ano lang, no? Simple truss, compound truss, no? Kaya lang, may mga tinatanggal na mga member lang. Gaya dito sa pang-anim, tinanggal yung dito members. So, mako-consider ba natin tong stable? So, unahin ko kaya sa computation muna. So, M is counted as 17, J is 11, R is 3. So, lumalabas na hindi masatisfy yung equation kasi bitin siya ng dalawa. Marahil kulang nga dito tsaka dito, no? Kung nilagyan kaya itong ng dalawa dito, so para lahat ay may adjacent triangles, malamang masasatisfy na yung equation, magiging stable siya. So, by computation, hindi siya stable. At the same time, by observation, hindi rin siya stable. Pag tinanggal ko yung support, di ba? Pag tinanggal ko yung support, ano nga ba natin tatanggalin? Okay, pag tinanggal ko tong support, yan. Ibig sabihin, internally, gagalaw siya sa joint na to. Okay? Magmo-move siya sideways. Dito. Okay? So, yun. But externally stable siya pag nilagyan mo na siya ng support. Kasi simple support naman siya. while DI is na-satisfy niya din yung internal instability. Negative 2 nga din talaga yung titin niya, no? Na statically unstable siya. So, nagre-reflect lang halos din, no? Yung sa traces, if it is by computation, internal unstable, statically unstable din siya. Okay? Let's proceed with this. So, medyo malaking truss to na parang arc truss, no? Or bridge truss. So, obviously, by external stability, simple support, so externally stable ulit yan. Pero pag tinanggal mo kaya tong ano, support, without support, internal stable ba siya? Okay? Magro-rotate ba siya or magbabago ba siya ng ano, rigid kaya siya by its formation, by its arrangement? So hindi. Kasi mayroong joint to na join lang siya by joint. Kumbaga, two rigid simple support. Ito, two rigid simple support, simple truss, sorry. Yan. Dalawa siya. May pivot lang siya dito. So, gagalaw yan. So, maaaring para siyang scissor, no? So, internally unstable siya. Napatunayan din naman ito ng computation. So, less than siya ng isa. So, 22 less than 23. So, by determinacy, unstable din siya statically. Okay? Yan. So, next. Pinalitan naman to ng support. Parehas na siyang team. So, by internal observation, okay, internal stability, by observation, ganun din siya dun sa taas. So, internally unstable nga siya kapag walang support. No? Pag tinanggal yung support. Pero, pag nilagyan mo na ng support, externally stable na siya. Okay? So, if we get the determinacy, or if we check for determinacy, bilangin natin. 22 yung members, 13 yung joints, R is already 4. Kanina, 3 yung reaction, nabitin siya. Pero nung pinalitan natin ng simple support, or sorry, hinge support, nadagdagan siya ng isang reaction. So, oops, kaya ata na 22, okay, 13, internally unstable pa rin siya, of course. Wala naman kasing connection yung reaction dun sa equation ng instability, internal instability. So, internally unstable pa siya. Ibig sabihin lang nito na internally unstable means it is unstable without the support. Okay? But if it has a support, determinate na siya. Two supports are already satisfying determinacy. So, statically determinate na yan. Okay. So, pwede yun ha. Pwede yung ganun. So, next. Ito. Dinagdagan na siya ng isang member bottom chord sa ilalim. So, it could make a rigid body na. No? So, without support, without the roller in the hinge, hindi na siya magro-rotate sa joint na to. Kasi mayroon ng support dito. So, it could be a rigid one. So, hindi na siya gagalaw. It will remain its position. Okay? So, internally stable siya. By computation din. Instead of 22 members, nadagdagan ng isa. So, nasatisfy na yung equation. Internally stable. Externally stable din siya, of course. And statically determinate. Okay. So, lastly, we have here truss. Okay. So, baka nako-confuse kayo, no? Meron tong sir, quadrilateral na part. Okay. So, hindi ganun yung tinutukoy nating arrangement, no? Statically unstable, sorry, internally unstable siya kung wala 'tong mga web members na 'to, kung wala 'yan. Pero meron, kaya nakaka-form pa rin siya ng mga triangles. So, gano'n natin siya obserbahan. So, gano'n din 'to. Hindi porket, ah, rectangle 'to, okey, ay okey, considered as geometrically unstable siya, pero tingnan niyo rin yung web members, sinuportahan naman siya nito. So, by mechanism or by its system, whole system natin siya titingnan, 'no? So, 'yun. So, by observation, this is internally stable kasi lahat naman ay supported. In short, kahit tanggalin ko 'tong, ah, support, rigid 'yan, 'no? Walang rotation na magaganap diyan or movement. So, pero may support, so externally stable din siya, and by computation, sobra siya. So, that is 16 greater than 15. So, meaning, stable talaga yan. Internally stable. 'Di ba ang ano naman natin is M greater than or equal to 2J minus 3. Okay? So, internally stable by computation. Then, DI, okay, ayan. Obvious din na sobra ng isa. So, statically indeterminate siya at first degree. Okay? Madali lang, di ba? So, mag-identify ng mga ganito. So, paganahin din natin yung common sense natin, of course, di ba? Meron namang ganon na makikita mo naman kung gagalaw o hindi kapag ano. And then following the rules for external stability na dapat walang concurrent reactions at walang parallel reactions when it comes to using supports. So dito lang po muna. Okay? Salamat po sa panonood. God bless you.